Good morning, kids. How are you? We're gonna see what's the weather like today. Are you ready? Let's sing. What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? Today is... Go out the window and tell me whether it's rainy, whether it's sunny, whether it's cloudy, whether it's windy. Go out the window and tell me what's the weather like today. Are you ready? Because now that we know the weather, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna count. And we are gonna count like yesterday. We're gonna count from 1 to 100. Are you ready to get fit and sing and dance to the numbers? Let's go.
Are you ready? Let's count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Are you ready? Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. I won! Yay! 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. I won!
Okay, so now we're gonna have a look at the feelings. Are you ready? We're gonna see how are we feeling today. So, are we feeling happy? Are we feeling sad? Are we feeling scared? Are we feeling surprised? Are we feeling calmed? Or are we feeling angry? How are you feeling today? You've got to tell me. And after telling me, we're going to have a look at the activities that we're going to do today, that we are going to learn a new sound. Are you ready for the new sound? Let's go. So today, Tuesday, the 12th of May, let's see what we're going to do. Like every Tuesday, we're going to learn a new letter. And this week, we're going to learn sound R. Very good. Sound R. Very good. The action is that you've got to roll your hands over like a mixer and say R, R, R. Okay? So, let's listen to the song. You can listen to it on the link that you've got in the description. This one over here is a video about words that have letter or sound R. You can also have a look at the video on the description, on the link that you've got in the description, okay? And later we're gonna do like always. You're gonna color this one here with whatever you want. It doesn't have to be markers. It can be a paintbrush with paint. It can be using paper. You can be using color paper, newspaper, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a crayon and a felt tip, okay? And later, we're gonna do this one. What does it say over here? Excellent. It says, it's difficult. Gingerbread. These cookies, do you remember the cookie from Shrek, the movie? Well, it's a gingerbread cookie. So you have got to copy gingerbread here. Remember that the letters have to be inside both lines, okay? Don't make them super big. They have to be inside both lines. Later, you have to trace the rest of R's. And here, we're gonna write. What is this? In English, it's a germ. Germ. So we've got letter G, G, G and letter M. So we are missing letter here. So we have to write Remember to write it in small letters, not capital letters, okay? What is this over here that we use to make I don't know, banana bread. Very good. It's a mixer. Mixer. So here you've got mix and we're missing mixer. And what is this that you have at night before you go to bed or you watch a little bit of TV? You eat. What do you eat? Dinner. Very good. Dinner. Look, dinner has two n's. So here it says din and it's missing dinner. Excellent. And finally, we're going to read these letters over here. What does it say here? Very good. It says winter. Winter. When it's really cold, it's not winter anymore. Now it's spring. What does it say here? When it's really, really, really hot. Excellent. It says summer. Summer. And finally, what does it say over here? Excellent. It says sister. Sister. Very good. So when you finish doing all of this, you've got to color the activities, okay? So you have to color the mixer, you've got to color the germ, you've got to color the dinner, and you've got to color the gingerbread, okay? And now for the garden project, we're gonna start a new experiment, okay? You're gonna get a Ziploc bag, the one that mommy uses to put things inside the fridge or, yes, to store things. And you're gonna put a little bit of water like you've got over here. And then you can draw whatever you want. For example, a sun, the clouds, and a boat. Miss Anna drew, but you can draw whatever you want. And then you're gonna stick it with sellotape to your window where the sun hits. Remember that it has to be a window where the sun hits, okay? And let's see what happens during the daylight. You're going to take pictures and then you're going to tell Miss Anna what happens when you put the bag there with water. If tomorrow you've got the same amount of water or you've got less water, you've got to draw the waves today until the place where you've got the water, okay? So if you've got the water up to here, you draw the waves here. If you've got the water up to here, you draw the waves over here. So that tomorrow we can see if the water has the same level, it has risen, or it has dropped. Let's see what happens. So that's all for today. Like always, I wish you a great afternoon. Take lots of care and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.